Okay guys, we're at Wabash in Indiana at the Cannonball MX track. And we have the bikes, but it's super muddy. I'll have to show you guys some footage. And so it's really bad. So we're probably not gonna be riding today unless we're riding a little kid's track. But it's really bad. I'll have to show you guys some of the footage. It's just hilarious. The guys are getting stuck and falling over and going through mud puddles and getting their bikes buried up to the frame. So we'll be back to show you guys some awesome stuff. That guy's stuck way down there. Oh, that guy just, that guy was just another truck leaving. Anybody else coming? Somebody leaving. Little kids track now. Oh my god. Oh, it's slippery out there.
Big bikes out there.
Really? Is there any much out there? That guy's getting some air. That's a 110.
110.
Yeah.
That's what Sarah wants. Sarah wants one really bad. Sarah.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. I like it. They're awesome.
That's those red bikes. Those two guys on those red bikes, those are 110s too. Yeah.
The Hondas are actually better because they're fuel injected.
Yeah.
I can see those guys going in the hot ride. There's a gas tank, you know, and there's...
Oh, that guy fell down over there. Woo! Whoa! Oh! He almost saved it. Oh my gosh. Wow.
And this is why I didn't ride today.
Here comes a guy over here. Woo!
It sure is fun watching. Right down the mud.
Yeah. That's easy.
Ooh, he goes sideways. Still stuck in the mud. Nice and clean. Man, it's so bright I can't see. It's so hard to see where I'm recording. I'm just going like, oh, this big tree, he's around there somewhere. It's a GoPro, it kind of goes all over the place. He should put on his helmet. Jumps too. Oh man. At least Sam got to have some fun. Wrong gear. Downshift. They're battling it out. That kid's getting them. Damn!
Okay guys, so as you guys just saw, that was us, or me, riding the MX100, and so that was today's Saturday, and I'm gonna upload the video hopefully today, and so we went last Sunday, and it was May 1st. That was the first ride of the year's, the Wabash Cannonball. They opened up, and opening day for them, and it rained. It was massive thunderstorms the night before. Even here in Fort Wayne, it was really bad. And then when we got to Wabash, they said they're still having it though, and it was bad. Like in the footage, you guys can see there's bikes just. I mean, there's one part where we first got there, where like there's probably 20 big bikes out on the track, and I wish I really would have caught that on camera, but it was so cool. Like people were just going through the mud. They're falling over everywhere. Like they had one point like 3 guys fall down in the same place, and they're all stuck in the mud. And there's this one where this kid went out on a 140, a KLX 140, and they don't know, they let him out for some reason, and he got stuck like the first like 20 feet. He went out there, and his mom had to yank it out. It was so funny. And there were some times where they had to get 5 guys to help yank a bike out. I mean, the bikes were so buried in mud, they had to get 5 guys to yank it. The jumps were pretty nice, so I mean, people were still clearing the tabletops and stuff, but it was just so muddy though. But anyway, so I rode on Little Kids track just for fun. I decided to ride. It wasn't muddy, like as you guys can see, it's not muddy. I did ride around the road a little bit to clean off my tires, but my tires were full of mud. But other than that, like the bike is not muddy. I've not washed it since then, so it's not muddy at all. And so that's awesome. And it was a lot of fun, guys. I was really hoping to ride on a big track, but oh well. But Little Kids track was fun. It was really fun. There's a ton of other kids on there. I had probably the fastest bike on the track. Doesn't look like it from the video, but it was pretty fun. Just popping wheelies on the straight in second gear, and there was a 150F there that was pretty fast too, and he had all the torque so you could just go around turns. This thing does not go around turns as good because you're either in first gear, red line, pinning it, or you're in second gear just bogging it around the track, so it's really annoying. And then my feet kept on slipping off the foot pegs, and the problem with these things are that there's no springs. For some reason I never got any springs, but they would get jammed like that. They get jammed up like that in the mud, and then I wouldn't be able to get my foot down. There's no springs, so that's really annoying. And same with this one over here. So I'm ordering foot pegs today, but I ordered some fancy brackets off of DT 175. I'll make a whole video on that, so I'll have some nice meaty foot pegs. I'm getting some Chinese ones, so wait for that video. That should hopefully be here next week, maybe week and a half, maybe 2 weeks. I don't know. I'll see when that comes out. And then I also ordered a new float bowl gasket. My carburetor's still leaking, so we don't know what's up with that. Ordered a front number plate, and then I might be ordering graphics for it too. So I'm spending a bunch of money on this thing. I'm putting lots of money into this thing, and then it might be something about the rear shocks. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. So yes. Anyways, I guess hopefully you guys really enjoyed this video. I sure did enjoy being at Wabash. let me know if you guys live around here and you guys have like an old vintage bike. That'd be pretty cool to go to like a track. We're probably going to go to Wabash again. May 22nd, I think it is. 21st and 22nd is an open ride. We're going to go 22nd because my dad has to work on Saturday, so we're going to go on Sunday, probably if it doesn't rain. So that's in like 2 weeks. So we're going to go then, and then we're hopefully going to take this to the vintage AHRMA race at Wabash 2. That's June 19th, I think, on Father's Day. So we'll hopefully be there too. So it'll be pretty awesome. So thanks for watching. Subscribe and stay updated for other videos, and see you guys later.